Hey there, morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Out here in the river today, a little shore action. There you go, with my son. See if we can get him. Yeah, baby, check that out. Doing our little father-son action here. Hang on, Bubba, hang on. Set up the camera over there. Yep. So it can see us. Okay.
Rico was telling me to make my own fishing channel. He said buy one of those chest mounts and just...
Yeah, I got one for you. You need to get one. I got it. I got you.
Yeah, next time. Oh, when I go Saturday, I can bring them.
Yeah. I got 3 of those.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that action. See? There's a lot. Right here. There it is. Oh, yes. That's why it's nice to have a chair, right? I told you. You're gonna need it. Oh, feel a nub. Feel a nub. See you jump over there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one will hit it.
Hopefully.
Yeah, because I know that big. That big is a year-old tree. Yeah, let it sit there and just gently, slowly. Let it be seen. It says let it be
Seems
seen.
some jumping.
Yeah, right there, see? Ooh, right in front of us,
I know.
see? Jumper. He's a jumper. He's a jumper, baby. A big one. Yeah. Oh!
Oh, he got
Quick release. Down.
They don't see it. They don't see it.
So you gotta move. Got him. Set the hook this time.
Yep. Oh, I see it.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Woo.
Oh, perfect hook too. Look.
Perfect hook right there, baby. Right on the mouth. There you go. Take that out. Yeah, just drag it nice and slow like I was doing. Look. All right. Picture with my son. Yeah, Bubba. Awesome.
Saying
All right.
that
Oh, fucking garbage. It's a garbage.
Yeah. Damn,
Yeah.
hard, Dad.
Yeah, thought we had one there. Now fix your end of the ano. I had one there. I had one there right close to us. Damn.
Oh, we're in the shade.
Yeah. Ooh, you're going, yes sir. A nice yonder. Ooh. Nicer. That's a big one. Bag it up. That's a 3-younder, dude. Get it, hold it.
I got it.
Hold it. Hold it in the mouth. Hold the line, hold it in the
I
mouth.
know.
Damn. There you go. There you go. Hold it. Come closer here. Yes, sir. All right. All right. Let me take a picture.
Yeah, let me hand you my phone, Daddy.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn, this one was huge.
Yes, sir.
Here, let me do this.
That's a 3-ounder, dude.
The 3-ounder.
That's a 3-ounder, dude. Okay, look, side. Awesome. One more. Turn the fish sideways. There you go.
I just know that fallen tree is where I always catch it, but then half of the time I think it's stuck.
Because you overthrow it.
Yeah, I'm bombing it.
That's a good one. Yeah, let it work itself in the bottom. Look at this, look at this. Gentle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Awesome.
I got you, baby. Couple of yonder. Told you I'd get him right there on your bait. Oh!
Got out. That's cool.
Gentle wiggle. Oh my God. Dude.
Yeah, there's a lot.
No, right in front. Look.
You gotta throw it there. I know. And
Right in front of your line, dude.
I gotta recast it.
I think it saw your line because it was right in front of your line.
Nice.
Got him. Yeah.
That's a baby one. Awesome.
Small one, but we got him. Got him on a dice bait, baby. Look at that.
Smile, Dad. Awesome. Fish smile too.
Yeah, right him on the mouth. Look at that, baby. Let him go, let him grow. Got him on the dice bait. You got it all the way down there?
They're all eating right now too.
Yeah, they are.
Dragonflies.
Yeah, all those insects that are on top. See? All those flying insects. Yeah, Rico would have had a fun day today. They're eating those tough insects.
Maybe we'll use the Senko worm and put it sideways like I was telling you.
Yeah, you could do
Without a weight so it'll float.
that. Oh, you mean let it drift by the
Recast it.
Yeah, because they're right. See that? Right
Yeah.
in front of you. See, you're getting good at that bait caster now.
No bird's nest.
Nothing. Yep, right there.
Maybe you're a smallie.
Oh, it's
Yummy.
a medium.
Awesome.
Yeah. Check that out. We are good, Bubba. Look.
Looks sick. Oh, he's a well-behaved one.
Yeah. Come on. There
That's
you
the
go.
least weird-looking one we've caught all day.
Yeah.
Yup.
Oh man, it got released real quick too. Yeah.
You barely got him in time.
Yeah. Let him go. Let him grow. Dude,
Awesome.
that one just came out real quick. Yeah, just let it sit. Let it sit for a while. Like, give it like a minute. See how I'm letting it get a minute? Because remember, these fish are swimming around.
Yeah.
Oh, right in front of you.
I know, right next to where my
Right to
line
where your
is.
line is, yeah. Right there. Little juice. Little juice. Oh, it's a tilapia.
Holy shit!
What the heck?
Tilapia.
It's a tilapia. Oh, first one, dude.
Holy shit, tilapia.
Damn, tilapias. Damn. What the hell? There's my hook.
Dang.
Yeah, damn. Tilapia. What?
Here, show tilapia.
Yeah, let him go.
I don't want that one.
Yeah, it was weird.
That was very weird.
But I told you that garlic worked, right?
I forgot there's tilapia here.
Yeah. I think, yeah, tilapia and carp and catfish, dude.
That is so weird.
Mm-hmm. Told you that garlic.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. That's the hard thing about fish is, you know, they aren't smart. They just.
Yeah, it's a 2-pounder. Jay got it. Keep reeling back. Keep reeling back. It's a big one, dude. Don't lose it. Keep backing up. Back it up. Uh-oh. Careful. Watch it. Okay, now you can handle it.
Sorry, Mr. Fish.
Hold it in your hand. Got it on the Cinco, baby. Right on the lip, dude. Be strong. Hey, manhandle it immediately or else it'll stab you. Nice. Nice. Make sure you take up the hook. Good job, son. Face me. Alright, give me your phone. Oh, you got it?
Dad.
Where's your face?
Alright.
Alright, now let him go, let him go. That's a begging, baby.
Damn, I'm doing one.
Get some more.
I'm gone.
I told you, leave it. Pull it. Pull it. Hey, double up.
Yep.
Not that one. That one's just the other side.
Oh, this side.
Yeah, push down. No, not that. Forward to tighten.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, patay.
Ah, you let go. What the?